Belva Lockwood, first woman to argue before the US Supreme Court. Have you ever heard of Belva Lockwood? Most people haven't, but her story changed the course of American history. In a time when women couldn't even vote, Belva Lockwood stood before the United States Supreme Court. As a lawyer, born in 1830 in a small New York village, Belva grew up in a society that believed women didn't belong in courtrooms, classrooms, or public office. But Belva had different plans. She became a teacher, then fought her way into law school, where she completed her studies, only to be denied her diploma. Because she was a woman, so she took her case all the way to the top. Literally, she wrote to President Ulysses S. Grant, asking him to intervene, and he did. She received her diploma and became a licensed attorney. But her biggest challenge still lay ahead. Women weren't allowed to practice before the Supreme Court, so Belva Lockwood fought for a bill to change that, and in 1879 she won. She became the first woman ever allowed to argue a case before the US Supreme Court. But she didn't stop there. Belva Lockwood ran for President of the United States twice. She knew she couldn't vote, but she could be voted for. Her courage opened the doors for generations of women to follow, in law, in politics, in leadership. Her legacy lives on in every courtroom and every campaign trail where women now stand. So why don't more people know her name? That's why this channel exists, to bring back the forgotten figures who shaped our world. If you found this story inspiring, do one thing to help her legacy live on. Like this video, share it with someone who loves history, and subscribe to our channel. Forgotten Figures in US History. There are many more untold stories coming your way. Don't miss them.